How to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now head towards this option of payment and shipping. Open it. Now you have to remove your payment method and billing address and then head back. Open this option of sign in and security. Click on the option change password. Now enter your phone passcode over here to continue with the process. Now type a new password for your Apple ID. Once you change your password, head back, open the option payment and shipping. Now you have to fill this, provide your payment method and billing address. Once you fill this, click on done. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you can sign out of your Apple ID and again sign in back and then check whether your problem will be solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, you can force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.